This is an etiolated succulent. Let's fix it. First off, remove all the lower leaves. Be careful removing it to make a clean cut. This is a cut where part of the stem is still attached to it. Just make sure there is no damage to the leaf. This type of cut works. This one is a clean cut, no damage to the leaf nor to the stem. This type of cut works too. As long as there is no damage to the leaf, it will work. Now let's behead the succulent. Cut it about 1 or 2 segments below the leaves. We have lots of leaves to propagate now. I have a video about leaf propagation, please check it out. Time to pot. Choose a fast draining soil, whatever is available in your area as long as it is fast draining. Put a hole in the center and place the plant. Be sure the soil is dry or it will rot. Don't water it until a week. After a week, time to water it full. After 2 weeks it should start to root. After 35 days, lots of roots have formed and the plant looks healthy. By the way, I removed some more lower leaves to help the plant grow roots. The general rule is more leaves grows leaves, less leaves grows roots. Please share and subscribe. Hope you enjoy.
Mm.